Look at all that minced meat inside. And let me have some of the blood, so it's dried blood.
Yeah, dry blood.
Beef feet. Pleasant surprise. Hello everybody. We're here still in Lima, Peru. We're going to be having dinner at Isolina, which from what I've gathered is a famous seafood, Peruvian style seafood restaurant. Anything about the Isolina that you can share with us?
The Isolina is very older, maybe have 100 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Construction, yeah. Popular dish is Creole food.
Creole.
Creole.
Oh my God, that's Louisiana, United States,
Yeah,
Creole.
similar.
Oh, I love
Yeah.
Creole.
Yeah, the best is the papa rellena is so good.
Oh, papa rellena.
You remember when you take it order?
Oh my God, now I'm starting to drool.
Okay.
Enough chatter. I got some Creole food I gotta eat. Let's go do it. We've got 3 different Peruvian, strictly Peruvian drinks. This is a pisco sour.
It's the most popular in the world drink.
Ah, it's like a whiskey sour,
Really?
but with this foamy top. That's very good. Let's see another Peruvian drink, strictly Peruvian.
Yes, all is Peruvian right now. It's more sweet, maybe.
It's sweeter, but I don't want to say it's cherry.
It's a strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, yeah.
But it's got that strong flavor to it as well. I think you'll like that too. So that's 2 drinks for you.
Really?
And the third and final, the chicha
Punch.
punch. I should have remembered that word, right? That's the easy one.
It's so easy.
Nowhere near as sweet as that. It's very light.
Very light.
Barely any flavor, actually. It's very light.
This color is with for the chicha morada. It's a drink without alcohol. It's from Peruvian,
Okay.
but it's without alcohol. It's like corn, purple corn. It's from Peru. It's most popular when you for the lunch drink the drink is chicha morada.
Oh, for lunch.
For lunch or whatever, when you have want a drink, whatever, chicha morada is good. Where this is chicha punch, it is the basic is chicha morada and with pisco sour too. I'm more what it's more.
Oh, so some of the sour
Yeah,
is
sour.
added to that.
Yeah.
But it's to have a sip, it's very light. It doesn't hit you like this is like a whiskey sour with a foam on top. Whiskey sour, of course, common drink in the United States as well. And that one's like fruit punch, but with more punch.
It's so sweet.
Yeah, definitely. Which do you like better?
Chicha morada.
Yeah, that's very light and refreshing. We've got our papa rellena. Should I cut the sucker in half? Here goes nothing. Wow, this thing's big. Oh, look at that. Look at all that minced meat inside. Oh, wow. I guess I'll have to take the first bite. Being that I am the Chubby Gourmet, I'm gonna dip a little bit. It's a meat pie.
Yeah.
Minced meat, mashed potato, wrapped in dough. This is a hearty home-cooked meal. And like you said, it's not hot, the sauce.
Now hot. Now. It's only
Almost like a sweet pepper. Not a bell pepper, but not hot. That's actually a complete meal right there. This is the tripe, the beef stomach. I'm not sure what this is. The sangrecita. Oh, this is the sangrecita. Oh, it's blood. Oh, sangrecita, little blood. It should have been obvious to me. Let's give it a try. See how well they cooked it. Not much preparation of the stomach beforehand, but it's not bad. The seasoning is very good. And it is thoroughly cooked, so it's not too tough. And let me have some of the blood, so it's dried blood.
Yeah, dry blood.
It's almost like the texture of ground meat, but it's chunks of dried blood. Definitely not your everyday dish, let's put it that way, but very well done though. The seasoning's just right, not too much salt, perfectly seasoned. It's tripe done right. Hey, that sounds good, tripe done right. And here we've got beef feet. I've had pig's feet, I've had duck feet, I've had chicken feet. I've never had duck feet.
Pork feet.
Whose feet?
Pork?
Pork, yeah, puerco, pig's feet. Well, here we go. It looks like it's, if that's part of the foot. Oh, it is. So it looks at first glance very gelatinous, which I'd expect from the foot. I'm not going to take the potato. I am the sacrificial guinea pig. Here it goes. Well, I'm surprised. It is very tender. Gelatinous, as I'd expect from any animal's foot. But very tender. The sauce is very thick and hearty. Not highly seasoned, which is again fine, but I'm impressed. I was afraid we were gonna have to order something else because I never had beef feet before. I think it's their preparation that makes it so tender. Pleasant surprise. Julie, you're gonna be the arbiter in this discussion.
So soft.
Very tender.
Yeah.
The sauce it's not very fine. It's ground peanut, which makes the sauce very thick
Yeah.
and rich. But it's not overly salted, which is great.
This is great.
Yeah, very well done. I got to give them credit for that.
Yeah.
The beef feet are very gelatinous, as they would be expected to be, but very tender. So they cooked it just right. And then the peanut sauce, not like Thai peanut sauce, totally different recipe, but very delicious. I'm happy. Well, we'll see what Emily thinks. That's a foot.
Why is it gelatinous?
That's how feet are. It's all, you're eating tendon basically, or ligament. You're not eating muscle, which is what meat is. Meat.
No, I like it.
You don't like.
You don't like it? You don't like the texture.
Understood completely. But the tenderness of it though.
Texture, bad. It's like you're eating savory Jello. No.
Oh, Jello.
I don't even really like Jello to begin with.
What are you trying to say? The
Tender
most
foot?
tender foot I've ever had.
Tender foot.
We got some surprises coming up. This is our final dinner here in Lima. We are going to be going to the Amazon tomorrow. We're starting out in Iquitos, which is in the Amazon, actually. And then the second day, the next day after tomorrow, we're driving to Nauta for fishing in the Amazon River. But you'll have to stay tuned. But that's coming up. After our dinner, we're going to be in the Amazon tomorrow. So God willing, we'll see what happens. And we're in good hands with Julie. So she's been an awesome local producer, taking care of a lot, and well, everything actually, here in Peru for us. Otherwise, we'd be lost. Thank you, Julie. Okay, I have nothing more to say.